Summit's fifth outbreak of COVID-19 stays contained as Rifle and Aspen struggle with compliance. Phil Lindemann, Krystal, 93 News. First, a long-delayed and hotly contested minimum wage vote will likely wait until new county commissioners take office next year. Summit County officials confirmed that vote to raise minimum wage by 75 cents every year until it reaches $15 is not happening anytime soon. COVID-19 arrived just as the board was reviewing local surveys and was split on imposing a minimum wage. Employers did not want a $15 minimum, while employees did, and the board was struggling to win support of town officials. Colorado's black bears are losing a decades-long battle with people. This from Aspen Journalism. Bear deaths have been rising steadily since the mid-1990s from causes other than hunting. Last year, 179 bears died statewide, up from a low of 77 in 2010, down from a high of 329 in 2014. Wildlife officials say this is a bad omen for forest health. Bear populations wax and wane with food, and humans are encroaching on bear habitat, leading to fewer natural food sources and more conflicts over trash and human carelessness. Statewide bear population is between 17,000 and 20,000 animals, and populations are actually growing in the Aspen area. But experts warn these bears learn to be unafraid of humans, like the animal who swiped at a man inside of his home last month. Summit County's fifth outbreak of COVID-19 hit terrace apartments in Breckenridge last week, where 5 residents are sick, and caseload since then has not gone up. Julie Suter with the county says that is the goal of tracing and tracking.
We anticipate that we will see outbreaks, and so, our goal with all of the measures that we do have in place is that we want to make sure that those outbreaks are small and manageable and infrequent.
Meanwhile, to our west, officials in Garfield County are tracking 2 outbreaks at churches in Rifle and Parachute. The Post-Independent reports at least 14 positive cases and 6 probable cases from both outbreaks, where officials say the disease spread fast with no social distancing or face masks at Sunday services. And in Aspen, a downtown nightclub faces fines and possible loss of license for dancing and bottle service after 1 a.m., 3 hours later than statewide curfew. The Aspen Times reports club Bootsy Bellows was, quote, clearly open late Saturday night when cops on night patrol arrived. The owner argues people descended on his club through an open back door, bringing their own booze and spinning tunes at the DJ booth without his approval. He could serve 18 months in jail for willful violation of a public health order. The latest now on coronavirus and Summit's data dashboard. The county recently updated its online virus reporting tool and in the process lost 18 positive cases and more than 660 tests. So where did those data points go? Julie Suter explains.
With the new dashboard, we're looking exclusively at our own residents.
When local testing opened up to anyone in June, hundreds of visitors got tested, and most were negative, skewing results for local spread.
We have cleaned the data of those visitors who were counted in the number of total tested.
The new dashboard now includes hospital capacity and cases per 100,000, considered the most important metric by state officials. Below 50 cases for 14 days, and Summit qualifies for Phase 3 of virus recovery.
You can see, are we trending in the right direction? Are we trending in the wrong direction?
Summit County's caseload per 100,000 today is 45.2, below the state benchmark, with a positive test rate of 2.4%. In sports, the Nuggets beat the Thunder in overtime last night, 121-113. The Rockies beat the Giants 7-6. Today, the Rockies play the Giants again at 6:40. The Nuggets and Avalanche are off until tomorrow. And in local sports, brought to you by American Family Insurance, the Weiss Agency, Race 2 of the A-Basin Virtual Trail Series wrapped up on Sunday, where Jeremiah Vale was fastest men's and overall finisher on a 6-mile course with 1,700 feet of vert. Steve Dish and women's winner Melissa Belk round out the top 3. Next race in the A-Basin Series is August 13th. Sign up at arapahoebasin.com. Phil Lindemann, Krystal, 93 News.